Are you opening for a girl or a boy? A girl. Me too. Awesome.
It's starting the hatch.
We only just need a little more. You can do it. Hatch, 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 hatch. It's the GreerGirls, and today we have another Hatchimal, and it's a Target exclusive, and I'm pretty sure it's a Bearakeet, right up there. And so we're gonna try to hatch this Hatchimal today, and we already have all of our other Hatchimals, and we're ready to add on to the collection. And also, I would like to get down some facts about it. So the black and pink one is the boy, and the white and pink one is a girl. And it seems like this one could be the boy, probably because it's black and pink. So who knows? But we're gonna go ahead and take care of it and rub it and start trying to make it hatch.
I wonder if we're gonna get any more exclusives.
Yeah, I'm really hoping for a bird.
Maybe we can get an alligator.
That would be awesome.
Are you hoping for a girl or a boy?
A girl.
Me too.
Awesome.
It's cooking. It's starting to hatch. And whenever you hear the music, that means it's hatching.
Yeah, so it's bum, you'll realize it.
Hailey, rub one side a little bit. Hiccups. I really like how it hatches on its own. And I really like the egg. Ow! It's doing some good progress.
Almost feel it.
Oh no, it keeps on having the hiccups.
Their friends are here to help it hatch.
It's getting a little bit of pieces down.
I changed its name to Snow.
Mine is Fluffy. It got a good piece out.
True.
It seems like a girl. What color is it? Seems like it's white. I don't know, it's black and white.
I know what it is. It got some good parts off.
Woohoo! Haley's gonna take care of this for now. We're gonna turn this one off, and I'm gonna take care of mine. And maybe this one can be G's. They're encouraging it. I can tell what it is. It's a girl. Woo!
See, it's a little white.
It's so white. Still keeping it moving. And help it right there. It's done a lot of progress. You can almost hit it. And it'll be all the way. So the rim is almost like all the way. It's just on the back. And on the front, you can see all of the white. It's just on the back is where it's almost. And now we fully know it's a girl. Woohoo! We only just need a little more. You can do it. Hatch, 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 hatch. It looks like a girl. It does. What name should we name it? Maybe Blizzard, because it's white. But then I was thinking like magical, something magical. All right, it just needs this last part. So can I go ahead and help it? All right, I'm gonna help it. This last part. Alrighty, so we have this, and it just has this last little part. So I'm gonna go ahead and help it. We got it! Oh my goodness, we got it out, and look how adorable it is. It looks like a little fluff ball, like Rocky. And its ears look cool. All right, we got it out, and it is in baby stage, and its wings and its tails looks cool. I love its wings. It looks so amazing. It's singing happy birthday to itself. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. It has a little tail. It's like feathers. Feathers. Its tail's amazing. Its wings are magical. Look how cute it is. All right, let's introduce him to our friends. Alrighty. And they might even be brothers and sisters. Yeah. So this time we kept the bottom of it, so maybe we can store it inside. Yep. And it's ready to go to bed. This is so much fun to hatch. Let us know if we should get any more exclusives. We already named it Blizzard, but if you come up with any more better suggestions than Blizzard, let us know in the comments down below. Make sure you subscribe, comment, and like. Bye guys! Hatch, hatch, hatch.